All right, so the next thing we want to do is confirm the chatting. And since we are using Nodejs and socket IO for chatting, we need to start our server. So this is our chat server, and I'm going to open it up on VS Code. And looks like it was already running. Okay, and that's no problem. But here, one of the things that we need to change first is going ahead and changing this IP address. Okay, so I'm going to do a clear over here, and then I'm going to do ngrok http 3000. So I'm gonna start this port 3000 over here in this IP address. So it's better if you do socket IO, then you have a valid IP address which has HTTPS. And make sure you come to index.js over here, this one, and then you save it there. All right, and make sure that you start or restart your server. All right, so with this, our socket server would be listening to the port 3000, okay, and on this domain. All right, cool. So this is the one thing we wanted. And then now let's come over here. So we are already logged in, and we want to confirm that we are able to do a chat. So over here, I'm going to click on apply. All right, so okay, looks like it's done. And if it is so, we can come over here and look at our chatting button over here. All right, and it looks like we can already see a basic information that tells you the chatting is fine. And before even you go ahead and start chatting, you can confirm it from your MongoDB. This is our MongoDB account, so let's go ahead and refresh the database. And over here we'll see that there is a chat section, I mean a collection named chats. And here we do see that this is a chat object created, and here we have users. And we do see that in users there are two different users, 0 and 1, and each of them they have different ID for OE and 420, like that. So that means that we're able to create an object for two different users with their unique ID. So that's a good thing. You always need to make sure, and you can click on this. All right, and here, so this is the guy that we are going to chat to. So here we can say hello Ahmed. All right, so this is the agent. Okay, and this agent, you can say I'm interested in this job. All right, okay, cool. So this is gonna this is what something we are going to see if we go ahead and log in our agent's account. Now for agent, it's actually easy. So we're gonna go to our device management over here, and we're gonna log out. And now over here we're going to log in as agent. So here we are going to log in as Ahmed at Gmail. So that's our agent ID, email account, and let's type in the password. Now with this, we'll be able to go ahead and log in. Oops, sorry. Make sure that our password is correct. Yes, it's correct. Okay, cool. So we are logged in as Ahmed, and this is the agent. If you go and check the chat over here, and you already see that it means this guy is going to talk with Dylan. Dylan is the applyer's name, and here we see. All right, so here we can say hello there, how are you? All right, so let's go ahead and send a message. All right, so that's what we see. This is beautiful. So that means that our chatting section is also working.